Ready to shoot stunning videos without breaking the bank? You're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down the best budget cameras of 2025, so you can capture every moment no matter your wallet size. Whether you're a vlogger, a traveler, or just want to record family memories, there's something here for everyone. Let's find your perfect match. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and let me know in the comments which camera is the best fit for you. Your feedback helps me make better videos, and I love hearing what you think. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. Sony HDR-AX43. If you want a straightforward, hassle-free video camera, the Sony AX43 camcorder is a fantastic pick. With so many budget camcorders discontinued in recent years, the AX43 stands out as an affordable option that's still worth recommending in 2025. It's designed specifically for video, so you get a comfortable grip, easy controls, and a shooting experience that's all about capturing great footage. One of the biggest highlights is its 20x optical zoom lens. This gives you the flexibility to film everything from wildlife and sports to distant events, all without losing image quality. Unlike multi-purpose cameras, camcorders like the AX43 are built for steady shooting, and they fit nicely in your hand for long recording sessions. Sony's Intelligent Auto Mode is another big plus. It delivers impressive results straight out of the box, so you rarely need to mess with manual settings unless you want to. If you do want more control, there are plenty of manual options in the menu, letting you fine-tune your footage as you like. There are a couple of trade-offs. The AX43 doesn't have an eye-level viewfinder, so you'll be using the flip-out 3-inch LCD screen. That can be tough to see in bright sunlight, but it's a common compromise at this price point. Overall, if you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use camcorder with solid features at a sensible price, the Sony AX43 is a smart choice. It's perfect for creators who want pro results without a steep learning curve. Number 2. Feiyu Pocket 3. A stabilized gimbal camera is a fantastic way to boost your video production value on a budget. These devices combine a camera and a gimbal in one, using multiple optical axes to counteract camera movement. The result? Smooth, steady footage, even if you're walking, running, or filming on the go. While the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is the top choice for many, if you're looking to save money, I recommend the Feiyu Pocket 3. It delivers reliably good footage with effective stabilization, and it features a 16mm equivalent lens for a wide, vlogging-friendly view. The battery life is impressive, letting you shoot for longer without worrying about running out of power. Plus, there are fun, slow-motion features to explore which can add a creative touch to your videos. One standout design feature is its fully wireless connection. You can actually detach the gimbal handle and use it with your phone, giving you more flexibility in how you shoot. This is great for vloggers who want to capture unique angles or film themselves without needing a second person. Of course, the Feiyu Pocket 3 does have some trade-offs. It has a smaller sensor, fewer accessories, and a more limited range of video options compared to the Osmo Pocket 3. But with a retail price of $329 versus DJI's $519, it's a much more affordable option. Perfect for budget-conscious vloggers or filmmakers who want smooth, stabilized footage without spending a fortune. Number 3. GoPro Hero10 Black. The GoPro Hero10 Black may be 3 generations old, now replaced by the Hero 11, 12, and 13 Black. But it's still a fantastic budget option. Unlike older GoPros, the Hero 10 features a front-facing screen, making it much easier to frame your shots, especially if you're vlogging or filming yourself. Its G2 processor also delivers a noticeably faster and more responsive interface compared to previous models, so you won't be stuck waiting for menus to load. What really stands out is its ability to record 5.3K video at 60 frames per second, paired with GoPro's impressive hypersmooth 4.0 stabilization. This means you get super smooth, high-quality footage, even during action-packed moments like biking, skiing, or running. Plus, it can capture sharp 23-megapixel photos, adding to its versatility for both video and stills. While the Hero 10 might be more camera than you need, if you're just looking for a basic helmet cam for safety, it's a great choice if you want to record top-notch, stabilized video. And with prices dropping as newer models come out, the Hero 10 Black is an excellent value for anyone wanting premium features without the latest model price tag. Number 4. Akaso Brave 7 LE. There are plenty of budget action cameras out there, but not all of them are worth your money. Just because a camera is cheap doesn't mean it's a good deal. The Akaso Brave 7 LE, however, stands out as the best affordable action camera that truly delivers on value. It records 4K video at 30 frames per second. Not quite 60p, but still solid for most uses. What's impressive is that it includes a front-facing selfie screen, a feature even the GoPro Hero10 Black doesn't offer. This makes it a great pick for vloggers and content creators who want to see themselves while filming. The stabilization system isn't on the same level as GoPro's, but it's good enough for handheld shooting and helps keep your footage steady. In our review, we called it a great value action camera for all-round use. And that still holds true today. If you're looking for a budget-friendly action camera that doesn't cut too many corners, the Akaso Brave 7 LE is definitely worth considering. It's a solid choice for anyone who wants to capture adventures without spending a lot. Number 5. Canon PowerShot SX740 HS. If you want a point-and-shoot camera with impressive zoom, the Canon PowerShot SX740 HS is hard to beat. Its lens covers a massive 24 to 960 mm equivalent range, giving you the flexibility to shoot everything from wide landscapes to distant subjects, all in a truly pocket-sized camera. The SX740 HS features a 20.3 megapixel 1/2.3 inch sensor and a flip-up LCD screen, making it perfect for selfies and vlogging. Unlike bulkier bridge cameras with big zooms, this one easily fits in your pocket, so it's great for travel or everyday use. You also get a fast 10 frames per second burst shooting mode and the ability to record video in crisp 4K. If you don't need 4K, the slightly cheaper Canon PowerShot SX730 HS is a solid alternative, offering full HD video instead. Image quality and autofocus performance are both impressive for a camera in this price range. Overall, the Canon PowerShot SX740 HS is an excellent choice if you're looking for a compact camera with serious zoom power and great all-around performance. So, which is the best? For unbeatable stabilization, 4K quality, and all-around value, the Sony HDR-AX43 takes the crown. It's the top pick for creators who want pro results on a budget. Let me know your favorite in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more gear reviews. Thanks for watching.